As a Pakistani, I cannot remain silent after hearing what Donald Trump recently said. This is not just a passing remark, this is a statement that should shake every thinking person in Pakistan. During his visit to the UK, Trump openly said that America wants the Bagram Air Base back. Let us pause for a moment and understand what Bagram Air Base really is. It is not some empty piece of land. It is one of the most strategic military locations in Afghanistan, near Kabul, from where America ran its entire war on terror operations for years. But here's the truth, Bagram was not built by America. It was built back in the Ek No Panch Safar by the Soviet Union, long before the US entered Afghanistan. When the US invaded Afghanistan in 2001, they simply expanded it, building hospitals, restaurants, even coffee shops, and a facility called Camp Vance. But to now claim that Bagram belongs to America is factually wrong and politically dangerous. The Taliban government has already rejected Trump's claim, but that is not the real issue. What worries me, and should worry every Pakistani, is Trump's reasoning. He said America wants Bagram back because it is very close to the places in China where nuclear weapons are made. Think about that for a moment. This is not about Afghanistan anymore. This is not about the war on terror. This is about China. Trump is saying, on the record, that America wants Bagram back to keep an eye on or possibly threaten China's nuclear facilities. Now why does this matter to us? Because China is not just another country for Pakistan. China is our closest ally, our economic lifeline. We have launched CPEC together, the biggest economic project in Pakistan's history. When Pakistan was on the verge of economic collapse, it was China that gave us loans, that helped us avoid default. Whether we like foreign loans or not, the reality is that China has supported Pakistan more than anyone else in recent years. So if America wants to use Afghanistan as a base against China, that directly impacts Pakistan. Because if there is a new conflict in this region, Pakistan will once again be caught in the crossfire. And we have seen this movie before, in the Ek No Panch Safar, when we became a front-line state for America in the war against the Soviet Union. What did we get in return? Decades of terrorism, suicide bombings, Kalashnikov culture, heroin trade, and still today, our people are dying because of the instability that war created. My question is, are we ready to repeat the same mistake? Are we willing to sacrifice another generation of Pakistanis for someone else's war? Pakistan's leadership must think very carefully. Our Prime Minister recently met Donald Trump in New York. Our government is already engaged in back-channel talks with the US about Afghanistan. But if Trump is openly saying that he wants Bagram back to target China, then Pakistan must be very clear, we cannot and we must not become part of this new confrontation. We should talk to the Afghan government directly, resolve our issues with them through dialogue, not by becoming America's tool to pressure them. If America wants to negotiate with the Taliban, let them do it themselves. If they want to fight, let them fight their own battles. Pakistan must stay out of it. And more than that, we must take official notice of Trump's statement. We must ask America, are you planning to turn Afghanistan into a staging ground for a new Cold War against China? Are you trying to drag Pakistan into another conflict? Pakistan needs a clear policy, no more wars on our soil. No more proxy wars. No more being used as someone else's pawn. We must protect our national interest, we must protect our people, and we must protect our future.